Hello everyone, welcome back to Healthy Foodies Kitchen. So in today's video we are going to make kids favorite recipe chicken nuggets. So without any ado, let's get started. But before that I would request you all to subscribe and like and share my videos. Also do not forget to hit that notification bell icon so that you know if I upload a new video. Now let's start. I have taken half kg of boneless chicken breast and diced into small cubes. To this I am adding 1 chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of olive oil or any vegetable oil of your choice, some salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Now give this a good mix, and now I'm going to blend it in my blender until we get a smooth paste. To this I'm going to add 1 cup of fresh breadcrumbs. Again mix well. After everything is mixed well, put it in the refrigerator, cover it and put it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Take out the mixture after 30 minutes. And now take some breadcrumbs and moisten your palm with some water. Take small quantities of the mixture, roll and flatten in between your palms as shown in the video. Coat with breadcrumbs. Similarly, I am going to make all the nuggets. You can prepare at least 20 to 24 nuggets with this quantity of chicken. You can fry them right away or you can freeze them. I'm going to show how I freeze them. So I take a plastic box and then I layer it with some butter paper. Put the prepared nuggets and then layer them with another sheet of butter paper on top. So this is how I store them, and they remain fresh for at least 2 weeks. So whenever you want to fry them, just take out 15 minutes before and defrost them, and then just shallow fry or deep fry as you wish. So our delicious chicken nuggets are ready. Serve them with your choice of sides, tomato ketchup or any chutneys, and do let me know if you try this recipe. Do subscribe to my channel and like and share. Thank you.